We are at Mini Cooper of Orlando, and we are going to look at a beautiful, first of all, these guys are the best. And here we have a brand new 2020 Mini Cooper Clubman, John Cooper Works. Just look at this car. Just got off the truck yesterday. Notice those Brembo brakes with that signature John Cooper Works. This is one beautiful car. Took 3 months just to get it here. There's that baffle. 301 to 306, no matter how you want to say it, horsepower. 60 years they've never had that, so this is just as if it's a race model. Track worthy. Notice these beautiful brand new mirrors, sunroof. "19" wheels. This is all set up for racing. The chassis is stiffened. Motor has all kinds of manufacturer rethinking. Beautiful, beautiful car. Notice the coolers inside here. So all this is functional. I don't know if it's open. Let's see. No. There we have it. 2020 JCW Clubman. Just arrived. What a car.